Hi everyone, welcome to Slightly Madness. As you all are aware, in the previous event of Acharya Habba, the coolant was completely out from my bike due to bikes overheating. So I'm taking the bike for the service today. I'll get it checked and get my bike serviced as well. So I'm going to Dr. Buza today to Hafiz bike to get the bike checked. So without wasting time, let's go. So guys, I just started my bike and left from home. I saw the heat is completely in cool now. Usually as soon as I start my bike, it used to be in the half limit. I think it's slowly raising. Let's give it some time. But I'll just make sure until I reach the garage, I won't cross around 60 kilometers per hour speed. I'll just maintain that because there's no coolant in the bike, right? I hope the road is completely empty without any traffic so that proper air intake will be there for the bike and it won't get overheated. I think the temperature is rising now. Let's see. I hope it doesn't cross more than 75% of the heat bar until I reach. That would cause an issue for the bike.
क्या गुंडा बनेगा रे तू
ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜಾಗ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ವೇ
जलवा है हमारा
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ಸರಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆದರೂ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಂತೆ. ಹೋಗಿ ನೈಸ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪಿಂಗ್ ಗೈಸ್. ಪಕ್ಕ ನಾನು ಇದ್ದೆ. Surprisingly, I don't see there's a spike in the heat. I can see it is in 50%. That's the usual temperature.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
ನಾನು ಕಣ್ಣೆದ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಯಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಕಣ್ರಿ, ಕಳ್ಸಿ ಆಚೆ.
ವೆದರು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಹಾಟು, ಗಾಡಿಯಿಂದನೂ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಹೀಟು. ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? ತಂದೂರಿ ಚಿಕನ್ ರೆಡಿ.
क्या कर रहे हैं? मजाक है क्या?
Finally arrived at Dr. Buza Racing. Let me get the bike checked with the coolant first and then I'll get my bike serviced. So this is Dr. Buza Racing where the Buzas get serviced. So it is owned by Hafiz bhai. He's a national level drag racer. So you guys will be able to find his contact details and address in the description down below. Okay. Service is completed, bike is washed. Now it's time for the bike to get checked one final time. So friends, service ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿತು. Engine oil change, brake pads are good, and coolant, obviously coolant change method actually I do. So everything is good. Water was done, flight report is done. bike to flexi right now. Yeah, so it will take some time for the bike to get adjusted because brake pads and all will be cleaned, so it will take some time for it to get adjusted. So brake ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ, ಸೊ ರೈಡ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. Maybe by the time I reach home or in one ride, it will get adjusted. So until then, have to be cautious.
It's a task to ride this bike in the city because controlling this bike in slow moving, it's tough. ಈ ಗಾಡಿಗಳು ಹೆಂಗಂದರೆ ಓಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು ಎಮ್ಮೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ದಂಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಕೋದು ಆನೆ ಸಾಕ್ದಂಗೆ. That's it for today's short log. I hope you guys enjoyed the log. See you back soon with one more video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share the content and hit the like button.